one of the reasons that I really was attracted to Central State University, and that is that there is a strong emphasis here on the STEM disciplines, that's science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
We have a great natural sciences area that has biology and chemistry. We have water resource management, environmental engineering. We have mathematics and computer science. And in our particular area, we have manufacturing engineering and industrial technology.
These are areas that are critical for the growth of this nation and also for professional growth. There are high-paying jobs in these fields, and then the students can grow professionally very well in these fields.
Well, there have been a lot of opportunities that were presented to me. I was able to work a number of internships in environmental technology, in genetics. I have ran into a number of professors that actually gave me different opportunities to shadow scientists.
Our students spend their summers, working with several agencies, who have been asking that very question. How can we keep our water clean? How can we handle our solid waste now that the landfill spaces are growing? How effectively we can communicate to the public that we have to, engage ourselves in more recycling.
I see Central State as a jewel in the rough in terms of our ability to contribute more minority students into the STEM disciplines.
That is the difference between the STEM fields and the other fields. There is always growth. There are high-paying jobs in these fields. Remember the T-shirt that we used to have? Geek is a 4-letter word with a 6-figure salary.
If you look at our program, we have a strong curriculum that we know. Our content is rigorous, but in addition to providing a strong content and curriculum, we engage our students on hands-on activities.
Manufacturing engineering is not easy. My teachers have pushed me to a level that I never thought I would reach. They made me do things independently.
In manufacturing engineering, our objective is to learn to produce a better quality product using the right type of processes, more economically with higher quality. If you go back from the beginning where the students were freshmen and learning those fundamental processes, they needed that information so that they can apply the engineering principles for the problems that they'll be facing in their career.
One of the things that I've discovered in the year that I've been here is that I really do have an analytical way of dealing with things. I'm a biochemist by training and spent a lot of my years in the lab doing research. And I've brought that methodology, so to speak, to my leadership of the university's academic mission.
Central State University fills a very critical need in the area of environment and water. Water and environment are very, very critical components of the new emerging technologies. We work on green engineering, which is the future now. Products have to be environmentally sound, and they should conserve energy in their production and should be environmentally friendly. For these things to happen, the best place where such a focused education can happen is Central State University.
Tomorrow's engineer is not going to be just an electrical engineer or a mechanical engineer or a manufacturing engineer, but a person who is able to handle many different types of disciplines and able to integrate them, be able to communicate from one industry to another industry. And the whole thought of emerging technologies, if you look at what's currently in emerging technologies, it's the fusion of different disciplines being brought together to bring forth a new technology, a new discipline. The typical student coming in, they're excited about coming to school. They may not know exactly what they want to do, but they're full of promise. And I think it's important for us to take that and to nurture it and to guide them along the way. Sometimes a student may not exactly decide in the end to go engineering. They may start off in engineering. But I think it's our job to sort of see where that student really will thrive at and to guide them into the right places. I think for anyone who wishes to embark upon this particular exciting area should consider Central State University.